Welcome to Yoginidra, a state of deep relaxation and meditation. Please find a comfortable position, lying down on your back with your arms and legs spread comfortably apart, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a few seconds and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress that you may be holding. Now focus your attention on your body, starting from the top of your head. Become aware of any sensations you may be feeling in your body. Allow yourself to let go of any tension or discomfort you may be experiencing and simply observe these sensations without judging them. As you continue to focus on your body, bring your attention to your forehead. Relax the muscles in your forehead and release any tension you may be holding in this area. Allow your eyebrows to soften and let go of any furrowed lines in your forehead. Now move your attention to your eyes. Relax your eye muscles completely and let your eyes sink deeply into their sockets. Deeply but comfortably. Allow your eyelids to become heavy and release any tension in this area. As you move down with your mind's eye into your body, bring your attention to your jaw. Allow your jaw to relax completely and let your teeth gently get apart. Release any tension you may be holding in this area. Bring your attention to your neck and shoulders then. Allow your shoulders to sink deeply into the ground and release any tension you may be holding in this area. Let go of any tightness in your neck and allow your head to rest comfortably on the ground. Moving further down your body with your mind's eye, become aware of your arms, your hands, and allow them to relax completely. If you're lying in Shavasana, let your arms just fall totally on the ground, on the yoga mats. Intensify your awareness to go further down with awareness via the abdomen to the hips, to sink deeply into the ground and release any tension there. Relax the legs completely and let your feet fall naturally to the sides. Release any tension you may be holding in your toes, soles, and heels. As you remain in this state of deep relaxation, allow your mind to become still and quiet. Let go of any thoughts or distractions that may be arising and simply observe your breath as it flows in and out of your body. If any thoughts or distractions arise, simply acknowledge them and then let them go, returning your focus to your breath. Allow yourself to remain in this state of relaxation, of meditation for as long as you like. And when you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Continue having awareness on your whole body. Just when you're ready, wiggling your fingers and toes a little and taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Get ready to come out of this Yoginidra. Bending one knee, turning to the other side, sit up and take a moment to ground yourself before going about to do what you have to do with the day or the night. Namaste.